Magma which is forced in onto Earth's surface is known as lava, vent, cone, none of the above. There is a two word used. One is magma and second is lava. Now what is the difference? See, this is the volcano. This is a crater mouth. This is the vent or pipe and this is a chamber. Here we found magma. Now what is lava? The simple is that when this magma is thrown out of the magma chamber to the earth's surface is known as lava. What does it mean? When the magma through is this vent come to out of this mouth, that is crater, then it is known as lava. The answer is lava. Volcano that erupt frequently as known as active volcano, extinct volcano, extinct volcano, dormant volcano. The answer is active volcano. Extinct volcano means those volcanoes that have not erupted in historical times but also no indication in future. The example is Mount Kenya of Africa, Kilimanjaro, and dormant means those volcanoes which become quiet after eruption but show signs of possible in future, like Kilimanjaro of Tanzania, Vesuvius of Italy. Examples of active volcano is Mount Etna, that is in Italy. Second one is Stromboli. It is known as lighthouse of Mediterranean. Another one is Cotopaxi. It is in Ecuador. World highest active volcano. Volcano that haven't erupted in historic time known as active volcano, extinct, dormant and extinct. The example is the answer is extinct volcano. The example of extinct volcano is of Kenya, of South Africa and Chimborazo of Ecuador. These are the two examples of extinct volcano. What are the extinct volcano? Those volcanoes which have not erupted in historical time but also have no indication. No indication, there is no chance of eruption further in these types of volcano. Basic lava erupt out of volcano throwing out mainly CO2, carbon, dust, ash, all the above. The answer is C, ash. Volcanoes are dash in size. Small, medium, huge. The answer is medium. What is shield volcano? Shield volcano are those volcano which have low silica content. It is actually a basalt or basic lava type is found here, and the example of the most important example of these type of volcanoes are Hawaii island volcano. That is the example of shield volcano. A hole in the earth crust through which magma comes to the earth's surface is known as crater, vent, cone or pipe. Now what is all of these feature? This is volcano, okay, that is magma chamber, this is cone, this is pipe, this is vent or crater. Now what is the answer? A hole of the earth crust through which magma comes to the surface known as vent. The whole mouth is known as crater, but the place where it comes out, that is known as vent. That B is the correct answer. Layers of volcanic material that build up around vent to form a cone shaped structure are known as cone. This is the figure. When the magma or a lava comes out, it deposited here, and due to the deposition of lava, the landform which is formed, that is known as cone. It may be the different types. Fluidity of lava is determined the amount of silica, copper, iron and zinc. Answer is silica. If the amount of silica is low, then it is known as basic lava. When it is high, it is known as acidic lava or acid lava, you maybe say that. In the basic form of lava, where the amount of silica is low, what happened? The lava is spread over a large region. A thin sheet of lava covers a large area, and due to this, the type of forms, it is shield lava or lava domes. Where in acidic form, where the amount of silica is very rich, that is very rich, the melting point is very high, therefore it is a highly fluidity of lava is determined the amount of silica, copper, iron and zinc. Answer is the. There are two types of lava. One is basic lava. Basic lava is that which has low amount of silica, but it is rich in metallic minerals and have low melting point. As compared to this acid lava, yeah, acidic lava, which has not so much rich in metallic, but it has high melting point. In basic form of lava, where the amount of silica is low, the lava flow over a large area. Due to this, lava dome type of structure is formed. As compared to the acidic lava, which is rich in silica and has a relatively high melting point. Top of magma is forced on the earth's surface is known as, see this picture, this is magma chamber, this is pipe, that place is known as vent, and whole of this is known as crater. What is the answer of that? That is crater, where the magma come out from, that is known as the crater. Volcanoes that have erupted in historic times are still likely to erupt is known as dormant. Active means which is continuously erupted. Extinct means there is no sign of eruption in a future. The example of dormant is Kilimanjaro. It is in Africa and it is also the highest peak of Africa. Mount Vesuvius, that in Italy, are the example of dormant volcano. This is the scale used to measure the size of volcanic eruption. Richter scale, volcanic explosivity index, volcano eruptivity scale, none of this. Richter scale is related to the earthquake. The answer is volcanic explosivity index. That index has been discovered or formed in 1982 by Christopher G. Newhall. This scale is logarithmic from 0 to 8, and which is associated with the eruption dependent on how much volcanic material is thrown out at what height and how long it's erupted. Increase in one index indicate an eruption that is 10 times as powerful to the previous. Okay, the answer is volcanic explosivity index. Eruption from composite volcanoes are usually light and less violent, loud but less violent, soft and more violent, loud and more violent. The answer is D, loud and more violent. In this type of volcano, large quantity of pyroclastic materials. Pyroclastic material means the material which is uh, belongs to the number of rocks of different shape and size come out, and ashes comes out of the earth. This material accumulate in the vicinity and the vent opening led the formation of layer, and this make mount appear more compositive volcano. The example of this type of Fusiyama, that is in Japan. Acid lava flows slowly and it is highly dense, viscous, sensitive, all of them. The answer is 3 viscous. What is the characteristic of acidic lava? That it is rich in silica and has a relatively high melting point, and due to highly viscous it solidifies quickly. Hence, the acid lava volcano caused the formation of usual higher landforms. This way we join vent to crater of volcano is crater, vent, cone and pipe. See the picture. That is magma chamber. This is crater. That is pipe, and that is known as vent. Vent means that which connects crater with the magma chamber. Answer is pipe. Eruption of composite volcanoes are loud and violent because that contain basic lava, viscous composite lava, viscous acidic lava, and none of the above. The answer is viscous acid lava. Acid lava means which are rich in silica, high melting point, and solidified quickly. This type of volcanic eruption is most active: Strombolian, Volcanian, Pelian, and Strusian eruptions. The answer is Pelian. That names come from the Mount Pelee of West Indies. It is the most explosive volcano among all types of volcano. What kind of volcanic eruption least explosive? Hawaiian, Strombolian, lava dome, and Sistrian eruption. The answer is A, Hawaiian eruption. Which of the following things come out of a volcanic eruption? Solid, gas, liquid, only liquid, gas, and solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, gas, and liquid. All types of material which is solid, gas, or liquid come out times of volcanic eruption. Lava cones are fold mountains, fault mountains, mountain of accumulation, wrecked mountains. The answer is mount of accumulation. Which of the following is a post-volcanic active? Lava injection, earthquake, thermal spring formation, all of this. The answer is lava injection. Earthquake comes before the volcanic eruption, after the volcanic eruption. Same things happen to the thermal spring formation. It ejected before the volcanic eruption. The answer is the post volcanic is lava injection.